I know this looks sounds strange, but I swear I know your name. And I'll bet you don't remember where we met. It was here another time, and though the sound just like a lie, you told me things I never will forget. And would you believe I saw you in my dream? We were dancing all alone, we were talking soft and slow. I was about to take you home. I woke up and found you gone. Would you believe I saw you in my dream? There were people all around, but I never heard a sound. Till you broke the spell, I heard you say hello. It's as if somehow you knew I was waiting here for you, and hoping for the moment to unfold. And would you believe I saw you in my dream? We were dancing all alone, we were talking soft and low. I was about to take you home. I woke up and found you gone. Would you believe I saw you in my dreams? I don't pretend to know how things work out the way they do, but somewhere in your quiet moments, do you remember too? I never wanted it to end. I woke up and found my friend. Would you believe I saw you in my dream? Would you believe I saw you in my dream? Thank you.